I thought my boob was out. Dude, that shit can still get leaked. Someone said my boob was sagging. That comes with having real boobs. Hey, you want to know something cool? You want to know something crazy? Come here. Hey, you want to know something crazy as fuck? Come here. Dude, if your boobs are real, sometimes they sag. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that the craziest thing, though? Like, it's wild. But, God damn it. I swear to God, this is gonna be my fucking downfall, dude. I don't know about you guys. I always have shit in my nose. I hate my boobs too, but we can hate our boobs together. I love you. You're my best friend now because we hate our tits. So that's cool. Go team. No, my boobs sag because I smoke and because I lay down on my stomach. I sleep facing downward. Face into the pillow type shit. Is this something we want to discuss? Do you guys want to talk about how my boobs sag for like 30 minutes straight? I bet you we could. We could find things. It might take some work, but it's worth it in the end. Fuck it. I'm so fucking itchy. There's fucking hair everywhere, dude. Dude, let's talk about my boobs for like 50 years. Let's die talking about my boobs. That will be fucking fire. Yeah, we should do that. Right? Let's be honest. We all want to do that. Dude, if aliens came down and started just shooting laser beams and taking people up and it was the end days and fucking they came down and destroyed everything on the planet, we'd still be here. We'd still be here talking about my boobs. Because that's what we want to do. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, weather's nice. It's been pretty hot lately. This is not weed, no. Banana flavored nicotine. Thank you. The word tits make me very uncomfortable. Why does the word tits make you uncomfortable? The word tits doesn't make me uncomfortable. I like the word tits. Tits are nice. Tits are great. Tits are necessary in human evolution and reproduction. You know, what would we be? What would we do without tits? You know, dude, tits are so important. I like, dude, oh, fucking boogers. Tits, dude, tits. Got some food in my teeth. Dude, tits are so important, dude. I like talking about tits. I like saying it like that, too. Tits. My tits. Dude, I have nothing to do today. I actually do have one thing to do. I need to call somebody, but I'm not going to do that because that's business related, and I don't feel like doing business at the moment. But what I do feel like doing is saying the word tits, but then adding another syllable to it that isn't needed to make it sound like tits. So that's cool. What are you guys doing? How are you guys doing these days? I am not talking like you, Brett. You do not say tits. That's my bit. Yes, my tits. Nice. You made a quarantine radio. That's cool.